Hey, my name is Piyush, and I am the co-founder of the company called Graphity. Graphity is meet, connect, and engage now in Metaverse. So I'm not going to use any fancy terms because when we help brands to come to Metaverse, brands don't understand the fancy terms. They tell us, just make a Metaverse for us in 3 to 4 weeks. Now, uh, as you all know that Metaverse is becoming a hot topic among the Gen Z and millennials. So let me come to a point like these are the all case studies. Let me forward it. So what we do, we build affordable metaverses for the brands who want to come into the metaverse. So we have a template, like 50 plus templates of edtech, gaming, fashion show, and like healthcare. So a brand can come, select a template, and select what the devices they want. Oculus, Web, Pico, any device they want, click OK, and in the next 1 or 2 weeks, their metaverse is launched according to the template. So this is how we help brands to build affordable metaverses for them. So we help the brands to do custom acquisition, like bring the Gen Z and millennials to the platform for what we build for the brands, like the metaverse platform. And these are the sectors what we are working on. So we are working for the edtech, Physics Wala and Coding Ninja, one of the biggest edtech in India. We are helping them build the learning modules in the metaverse. We are helping IDFC Bank launch their reception of gold rate FD into the metaverse. We recently launched a gaming credit card for gamers. Like it will be a credit card only for gamers where they can get huge discounts on the metaverse. So this is me. I know I don't look like it right now, but if I hear my headphones right now, so this is me, Piyush Agarwal, and this is other co-founder Akshay, and we are people from IIT IM, and we are just building shit on metaverse. So let's go to the sneak peek into the metaverse. I will show you all the case studies, what we have done till now, and people select the metaverses from the templates, what we have built on our platform. So let me take you. So we recently did an NFT launch for all the stand-up comedians in India, and people have to buy the NFT tickets to enter into the comedy metaverse show. So the comedy metaverse show was launched last month, and people bought the NFTs of big stand-up comedians from this platform, and the tickets it used to enter into the metaverse, like comedy metaverse show. So these are some of the case studies, what we have done for like bags. This is something like we have done for QSR restaurant. This is something what did for gaming zone. These all are templates what you are looking right now. So a brand can come and easily select any template, and in a very limited time, this is a fashion show. So this is the stalls what he can see. So this was the fashion show, like a comedy metaverse show what I'm talking about. Like people have to buy NFT tickets to enter into the metaverse. So fashion show, I already talked about it. Yeah, so right now we are also doing a lot of town halls, AGMs, award-winning shows, and Hall of Fame in the metaverse. So yeah, so basically some of the clients we have is like Sugar Cosmetics in India. They are building a fashion show of cosmetics, and there will be cosmetic products in the metaverse. We did it for Sabre, a gaming credit card company. Then we are building for comedy. Then we are doing for banking. The best part of our platform is that we help brands build affordable metaverses. When I'm saying affordable, they don't have to pay high prices to build from scratch. Yeah, so our mission is to actually help brands to get more and more customer engagement through the metaverse. And also, we also want like the customers to enter into the metaverse and engage with each other, like in terms of we are also launching treasure hunt. So through treasure hunt, people can daily enter into the metaverse to play the treasure hunt game, so that more and more customer can be retained. Yeah, that's about Graphity. So yeah, that's all. If you have any questions, you can let me know. Yeah.
I'm just curious, because we've seen now, like, and I'm picking on you, but don't feel bad, don't take it personally. We've seen like 3 or 4 different companies now that all are making metaverses for brands, for companies. Or do you have a real world use case study, I should say, where a brand made more money or saw high engagement or over a relatively long period of time? Because here's my fear. Brands will all try this, right? And it's why the agencies, the 3 or 4 of them that have been on stage now, are all making money, all generating revenue. Because the CEO says we got to do something metaverse, so the CMO goes and finds, and then they create a metaverse. The question is, what are the results of this, and how do you build a long-term sustainable business by just building, again, no offense, crappy little metaverses for brands?
So when it comes, like you are telling me that how come brands build a sustainable model? So the only thing is that we need to understand the audience we are having is Gen Z and millennials. They spend all the time online content, and they want to experience the virtual world. So brands are realizing that people want that virtual world. It's like people.
So I'm the customer.
Yeah.
I'm not that old. I'm the customer. These metaverses are all shitty. You go visit it once, it's a novelty, and then you never go back, right? And so my question is, do you have a real-world case study of a brand maybe you worked with where there was a huge increase in engagement or a huge increase in revenue or something that says, hey, this actually, has long-term value for the brand and isn't just a short-term novelty?
Yeah, so we are recently doing a case study with jeevansaathi.com. So in that, you know that there is a matchmaking platform. So instead of real meet, you know that you are in this country and some person is another country and different states. So instead of physical meeting, they can actually meet into the virtual meeting in the metaverse. So there, what they are doing, Jeevansaathi is a matrimonial site, marriage. So they are all the brands related to marriage, like Archie's, like clothing brands. So this is a real use case. Because in the dating platform, you cannot meet a person physically.
I think one of the, it's coming, everyone's owning a metaverse like a website now. It's like, before we went through the...
But they're no better than the website.
Yeah, I mean, but it's capturing the new gen, and that's something that I think, I get what you're saying, but I think all of this is becoming like we're all owning a metaverse instead of a website in 2 weeks, So.
Okay.
Thank you.